Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabet words. Let us get started. A for arrow. Arrow. B for bear. Bear. C for corn. Corn. D for desk. Desk. E for eraser. Eraser. F for flag. Flag. G for gate. Gate. H for hammer. Hammer. I for insects. Insects. J for jeep. Jeep. K for king. King. L for ladder. Ladder. M for mouse. Mouse. N for nails. Nails. O for onion. Onion. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q for queen. Queen. R for rain. Rain. S for seashells. Seashells. T for tree. Tree. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for vase. Vase. W for worm. Worm. X for X-ray. X-ray. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. Z for zoo. Zoo. Thank you kids for watching this. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.